What's up? It's your girl Shelly May, and I am back with another video. So welcome to everyone that's new here, and welcome back to all of my current subscribers. Thank y'all so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you know every time I post. Alrighty, I'm batch creating today, so you're gonna see a couple of videos of me in this outfit. What order they're being posted in, I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but that's why if you go to my page, you're gonna see that, because I am regular and I ain't with the whole hullabaloo and whoop-de-woo of changing outfits in between filming. Because I'm regular, just like y'all. Like, I ain't trying to be extra, and that is just extra, okay? Like, I'm just giving y'all my authentic self, and me, myself, is not gonna do that. So that's what this is. But anyways, let's get into why y'all are here and what y'all clicked on. Like the title read, this is my Acient Cosmetics must-haves. These are the things from there that I must have. I've been shopping with them for a couple years now, and there's a couple of things that I always have to re-up on, and then there's some new things. So real quick, let me get into one of the things that I have to always re-up on when I'm out. I did order from them recently, and I have the box sitting here unopened. But this one product, it is their Healthy Glow Turmeric and Lemon Body Scrub. Absolute must-have. Okay, this might be my thumbnail, so we'll see. Yeah, absolute must-have. I haven't ran out of it yet, as you can see. But I love this, and what this is mostly for is for helping with hyperpigmentation, which is a constant battle, honestly. So I really love it, and it really does work. It really helps, and y'all know this is made from the real sugar, because I had left it out, just kind of cracked open in the bathroom, and I was randomly seeing ants, and I'm like, what are these ants in here for? Like, I don't know, food in the bathroom, so I don't be eating and snacking in the bathroom and stuff. Like, why are there ants? Like, I don't ever get ants for nothing. And then, like, I saw one around the bottle or whatever tub, and I was just like, they're here for that real ass shit. Sorry, I try not to cuss. They're here for that real sugar in here. So I sealed it up tight, put it up in a high spot in my shower, and just like did some extra little cleaning in the bathroom to make sure that I wouldn't have any more ants. And that solved the problem. But like, in comparison to other brands that I've gotten body scrubs from that I can just leave open willy-nilly everywhere, never have I ever had ants from anything else. That's how you know this is like real sugar, all organic. They just use the best ingredients in their stuff, so that's why I keep coming back. Like, there's that. So this is one that I honestly always re-up on, but I didn't have to this time, and it's a must-have, so that's why it's included in the video. But let's get into the box of goodies. I did block out my address, but I'll still put my finger here. It's a little heavy, so I dropped it. I know I'm a personal trainer, but it was heavy. Okay. So here is the box. I ordered this during their Memorial Day sale, which everything was 50% off. But they always, I talk in my hands, and this is the knife for me to use something thing, so I don't want to be threatening. They pretty much always have sales. So if you missed that one, especially with this being summertime, like we have 4th of July coming up, Juneteenth coming up, or actually Juneteenth coming up, then 4th of July. August sucks, there's nothing in August, and then there's Labor Day in September. So you're going to catch a sale. Just know you're going to catch a sale. So let's get this thing open, because I don't remember everything that I got, but I definitely, I got some rose oil, because I was all out of that, and if you've been here before, you know that rose is my favorite scent. In any way that I can smell like a rose, I make that happen. So something with a paper on top. Okay, so I can, ooh, and then I did get a free product too. But since I mentioned it, okay, let's get into the, since I already talked about it a little bit, I did get the, put that down, the Delicate Rose Body Oil. This is becoming a mess. Okay, I don't like clutter or a lot of like messy stuff, so I'm gonna clean up the area real quick. And all the products are just gonna try, we're gonna try to set them over here. But I got the Delicate Rose Body Oil. I absolutely love this. This is a gem. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I just want to smell it right now. Oh, it's sealed. Super sealed. Oh my god. Absolutely love this. My favorite. This is an everyday scent for me. So this is a must-have. Another one of my must-haves is the Island Mango body oil. Love the way this one smells as well. This is more of, you know, we're going out in the daytime. Just, I literally interchange these two. Love them so much. They also do come in the body butter, the whipped body butter as well with both of these scents. Their body butters are so thick. I've had them before. So speaking of a body butter, I also really love their Even Skin Hyperpigmentation Body Butter. It has 4 ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, turmeric oil, and lemon oil. So this one corresponds with this here. Absolutely love this. For hyperpigmentation, you can put it on your bikini line in sensitive areas like that because the ingredients are all natural. And I absolutely love that because that is where I struggle with hyperpigmentation the most. And so definitely had to re-up on this. It is a go-to for me. Love, love, love this. So we'll put that one on top of there. I'm actually surprised I didn't get any body butters this time. But let's see, what else did I get? Okay, so then I have some new stuff here that I'm trying out. So these were the re-ups and must-haves. I do also like it. I have gotten their body butters in these scents before. I do like those as well a lot, and I like those more for the summertime. I mean, wintertime. In the summertime, I'm more of an oil girl. Wintertime, I'm more of a body butter, deep moisture, because it's colder and the air is drier, and it, you know, the butter really keeps your skin moisturized. So these are the must-haves that I re-upped on, with the exception of the scrub there. And so everything else is new. So a product that I have not tried from them before is a mist, a body mist. So I got the Summer Splash Body Mist here. I have no idea what this scent is, but we're gonna find out today. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I like it. Let's spray it. Spray and got it. Oh, a little leaky. It smells nice. It smells kind of cucumbery. A little cucumber melon scent there. Some tones of that. It wasn't spraying out, but it started. Okay, we're having some malfunctions here. Yeah, it's like a spiced cucumber melon scent. Smells very nice. I hope that I can get this pumped to spray properly. I don't want to keep pumping and it just comes out the sides like that. Can I get an actual? Yeah, it's just doing that. Oh, that's not that great, but we'll get that figured out. But the smell is very nice. It's not spraying properly, but it smells good. I didn't really want to plan on smelling like it today, but since that's the way that cookie wants to crumble, it's really light. It's not tacky. I can feel it on my hands, but that's because my hands are really sensitive like that, and I don't like to feel things on my hands. Like, I like my hands to be very, very clean. Okay, so anyways, I got another body oil, the Just Peachy body oil, which I believe is supposed to smell like peaches. This is another great summer scent. So let's see what this one is smelling like. Okay, I'm smelling the other stuff because it's on my hand. So let me get this open some more. It's very light. I like it. It's very light and natural. It's not like a fake and contrived smell of peach, which I really like. It's just like, if you get in close, you're gonna catch it. But if you're back, you're not gonna really get the scent. But that's good because I don't need nobody too close to me. Even if you are close to me, you either really close friend or consider yourself blessed. But I really like this. I like that one. Okay, so let's see. I did get the Brightening Face Oil to add into my skincare. I was gonna say something else. Skincare routine. So I got this here. It's basically just some vitamin C oil, and if you don't know, vitamin C oil really helps brighten your face. So that it's very self-explanatory. We can do a scent check. It smells very citrusy. It really smells like oranges. I like it. I like oranges. And it smells like those good, fresh oranges. So I'm originally from California. Story time. And there are citrus trees everywhere. From oranges to lemons, limes, grapefruit. And then there's some cross-pollination that goes on. So you get like some random stuff that's just killer. It's stellar. It's so good. And this this smells like a freshly picked orange. Like, you just freshly take it off the tree, pull it right away. It smells like that, and that is amazing. That is truly amazing. It's just a great scent to have, like, on your face, because you put it on your face, it's gonna be under your nostrils. You want the scent to smell good, right? And now I want an orange. I don't have any. So the last thing that I purchased was another body scrub. I wanted to try another one that they had. It is the Black Sea Body Scrub. It's handmade in the US. So this is to exfoliate, of course, and soften your skin. And of course it's black. It's so, let's see here. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it's like. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh no! At least my carpet is black. Drop some pieces. Gotta get these up. Okay, my carpet is black, but then it just like blends in with the carpet. So let's see here. Let's see what this smells like. It's more of like a masculine scent, I would say. But I like it. I can't, it's very familiar. I just can't put my finger on what it actually is. I like it though. I really do. Okay, so let's see. It's honestly feels softer than the, what is that? Than the turmeric sugar scrub. I'm just making a mess in my living room here, but we'll just go over the box because we'll get rid of the box. Oh, it's very hydrating. Oh, look at that. I'm getting a little bit closer. My hands. Oh yeah, it feels good. I need to rinse my hands. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, so got that rinsed off my hands, and my hair feels good. It feels great. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to try this. I just like the scrub. I do body scrubs 2 to 3 times a week, so excited to try this one out. Really excited. Like this is way softer, honestly. This one is a little bit rougher than this one. This one I have to add just a little bit of water to soften it out a little bit for my skin, but this one is just fresh freshly smooth. So because I had a purchase of over $75 with everything, even with the discounts, I was gifted the Even Skin Healthy Glow Body Oil. So here is this one. A little free gift here. They do that a lot. They do free gifts. They do free shipping. You can use one of the companies where you can, break your payments down into 4. They accept those. So yeah, it's really great. Really, really great. And they, like I said, they've been around for a couple, at least 3 to 4 years probably. Don't quote me on the 4, but I know they've been around for a while. And like I said, I've been buying from them for like 2 years now. So here is this. Let's see what this one smells like. Even Skin Healthy Glow. Okay, let's see. Sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, lemon essential, turmeric, rose hemp. Okay, so I am catching notes of the lemon, which is citrusy. I am getting the turmeric in here too. That's kind of the notes that are hitting my nose and standing out to me. I'm not really smelling the rose hemp oil, but rose can easily be overshadowed by other smells. So there is that. So in a total, I have 4 body oils. I should have gotten a body butter. What was I thinking? I know what I was thinking. It's summertime, but I still feel like I should have gotten a body butter. Anyways, I hope I can get this mist to mist out properly. But yes, these are my absolute must-haves. Summertime must-haves. I'll do another one in the winter with the body butters, but or in fall, winter when it starts to get cooler. These are my summer must-haves. I love these new products that I got. I don't doubt that I'll fall in love with them, especially this one here. I know this is gonna have my skin glowing all summer, my no makeup face glowing all summer, and then I'm just gonna be smelling good and shining and all oily. I don't know what happened there, but I'm gonna be shining all oiled up. That's what I meant to say. Okay, this summer looking too cute. Okay. Too cute. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Let me know if you like this new background. I feel like it's a little bit more conversational than how I do it the other times, which I'll probably interchange them just to give some different looks, right? But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications. Thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. We are really growing this family and it is growing so quickly. Thank you so much. Follow me on my IG pages. My personal page is Chelly92 and my fitness page is FitXChelly. I'm sorry, I browse on my fitness page a little bit more than I do on my personal page, so that one was just trying to come out a little bit. It's trying to come out early. Trying not to get off on too many tangents like I usually do, but it's me and I'm authentic. That's just how my mind works. But yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I did say subscribe. Remember to like, comment, and share so that we can grow this ever-growing family of ours. I love you guys to the moon and back. So until next time, y'all, it's your girl, Chelly May.